Making offers, in case you need assistance. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of English expressions. Our focus? Making indirect offers with in case statements and specifically how to express your willingness to assist others. We'll look at different scenarios and learn how to navigate them with the help of in case. Let's dive in. The phrase in case is often used in English to prepare for something that might happen. When making indirect offers or expressing our willingness to help, we use in case to show that we are ready to provide assistance if needed. Here are a few examples. I'll bring an umbrella, in case it rains. I'll leave the key under the mat, in case you arrive before I get home. Now let's explore how this can be used to make offers and express a desire to help. When we use in case to make indirect offers, we present an action or behavior that could help someone if a certain situation arises. This is a subtle, polite way to offer assistance without making the person feel obligated to accept. Consider these examples. I'll make some extra coffee, in case you want some. I'll take my car, in case you need a ride. In both cases, you're not directly asking if they want coffee or a ride. You're making the offer indirectly, giving them the freedom to accept or decline without pressure. Expressing your willingness to help with in case is similar to making indirect offers but with a slight nuance. Here, you're assuring the other person that you're ready to assist if a certain situation occurs. Let's see how this works. I'll stay nearby, in case you need help. I've saved some money, in case you need to borrow. By using in case in these sentences, you express that you're prepared and willing to help if needed. That wraps up our session on making indirect offers and expressing willingness to assist with in case statements. It's a handy and polite way to offer help in English, and I encourage you to start using it in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out these phrases, in case you find yourself in these situations. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.